Project: Construction of Bridge Number 6 Mahaveli on Trincomalee Outer Circular Road. Length 265 meters. Client: Road Development Authority. Engineer: Chief Engineer Trincomalee, Road Development Authority, Sri Lanka. Consultants: Road Development Authority. Contract period 120 days. Date of commencement 3rd October 2008. Original date of completion 20th February 2009. Revised date of completion 29th August 2009. Actual date of completion 29th August 2009. Project value Rupees 134,048,750.56. The project comprised of the construction of Bridge Number 6 across the Mahaveli River along the Trincomalee Outer Circular Road of the Regional Bridge Project under the financial assistance of the British government. This 265-meter long steel bridge project was completed in August 2009. The bridge is a vital link that connects Sampur and Muthool, whilst there was only a barge available across the Mahaveli River to link that Sampur and Muthool area. One of the main purposes of this bridge is to reduce the travelling distance for transportation of raw material for the proposed coal power plant at Sampur. Review and modification of the bridge design was also carried out by the KDAW. The project was so far the largest steel bridge project carried out by our company. It involved the construction of 2 abutments, 6 piers and 265.5 meter long steel structure. Project implementation. In order to achieve the highly demanding target of completing the work within the stipulated period of 4 months, we prepared and implemented a tidy construction program by deploying a team of experienced project staff backed by a well-trained, skilled workforce with required machinery and equipment to handle the project, thereby enabling the work to be carried out simultaneously. Site organization. The site was managed by a project manager supported by a bridge engineer who provided all the necessary technical expertise. Qualified and experienced technical officers were deployed to assist the site engineer with experienced supervisors. Quantity surveyor was stationed at site assisted by a draftsman in preparing the interim valuations, variations and extra work claims, labour subcontract bills, etc. Scope of work. The scope of construction work includes construction of 2 abutments at either side of the river, 6 piers on the spread footing foundation and 2 piers on 15-meter long H-iron pile. Driven hard to soil and erection and launching of steel superstructure having 265.5 meters. The preparatory work involved clearing and grubbing and preparation of access road to pier location and coffer dam, ordering of steel structure and transportation of H-piles to site. After completing the preparatory work, the major construction work started in pier number 5 and 6, which was designed with H-iron pile foundation. Then, construction of rest of the piers and 2 abutments designed with spread footing foundation commenced, and it consisted of construction of coffer dams, excavation, base preparation and construction of foundation slab and pier shaft and capping beam. Superstructure works involved the erecting, launching and jacking steel structure as per guidance of Mabe and Johnson manual. Quality control. Since this was a quality control based contract, our project quality control in charge took the responsibility of maintaining, controlling and assuring quality. This was achieved by implementing quality control procedures and tests pertaining to soil, pile driving, concreting and superstructure. Progress and financial management. The project manager ensured the progress of work was maintained according to the project master program while adhering to project cash flow forecast. The project team managed to stay in the planned progress of work throughout a substantial portion of the project. Material supply. Steel superstructure was purchased from Messrs. Mabe and Johnson Limited in United Kingdom. All concrete used for this project was prepared by volume batching at site. Other challenges. As the site was located in a security hazard area, The construction was carried out under security provided by the Sri Lankan Navy. This was the biggest challenge faced by the project team. Furthermore, the increasing of the water level of the river resulting in flood site, which was beyond the acceptable patterns, also resulted in delays. Labour supply. Majority of the labour force comprised of the workers from the local communities. Completion. The changes in work scope and obtaining the extra works resulted in the completion date being officially extended to 29th August 2010 and was handed over to the Road Development Authority in time at a final cost of 134 million rupees.